There's the poop right there. There.
I'm tired. I just finished a workout. Now, I think we're about to go to see some animals around the corner. I didn't bring my camera, so I'll be on my phone, which is just as good. But I am sore and tired because I ain't worked out in a long time. And we did like legs. I got my knot in my stomach. Yeah. Y'all, I need a whole nap. I think I just burned off that little breakfast I ate. It was good though. And I'm gonna go to Walmart and get a sports ball because I know he's gonna try to work us out every day. We're about to, I just threw on some biker shorts, which you probably can't even see. And some tennis shoes. Because we're about to go to like the little animal safari or whatever. So, yeah.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
Hey, Sammy, runners.
Yeah. I find why I gave you all you needing. I know what you like.
Hey, Sammy, runners.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Definitely rainforest vibe. So you don't feel all the heat.
Well, that's because you're hot, you know what I'm saying? The hot ass motherfucker.
Ooh, grandpa on duty, look. Yeah, it is. Hello. Hello. Hello.
That's still over here. You can't put your fingers in there.
Is they will.
Me, I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I pray for this moment. Be by your side.
We like to call them hurricane birds. That's because these guys are the last birds to leave before a hurricane and the first to return afterwards. Now we are going to climb a tree. Now folks, after we rate the Everglades, we realized it wasn't a very good idea. Mostly because